I'm the helper today. No heat call. At the Trump golf course. You can tell they maintenance man about that. Come change this fucking ladder. Tell Trump send some of that motherfucking money. Huh? You good? There ain't no false fall if you gotta bust your head. That one bad, was it? I don't think that was bad.
Shit. Got to arrive ourselves, which is fine. Just arrive.
They said I ain't got no proof. We finna see what's going on. And you knew exactly what unit this was too. I'd be confused as fuck.
I bet you. Ain't there ductwork over there?
Yeah.
I don't know how this heat exchanger is ever going to change out. We may be pulling this blower to try to get a view on it.
Yeah.
Once we see what's wrong. Boards in here.
We got 3 flashes on that ignition board.
What the fuck is the wiring diagram shit?
That's fucked up. There's some down there. Like this for the heat though.
No ways on his door, because that's fucking insulated.
Lennox for your ass. I mean, Lennox is cool. I ain't gonna talk to you about Lennox. If it was your door, I'd be mad. Wrong door, because it's insulated.
They flip insulated, yeah. I was wondering, I'm like, why is this not insulated?
They said the shoe fit just works. That ain't right though.
They got some fucking hair filters. See what 3 blinks is.
So we got potential pressure switch, rollout. Yeah, either pressure switch or the rollout. Right, I'm checking that pressure switch. On what? It was true. So now the same that rollout switch was just true. 3 flashes did indicate rollout switch open. So that got the name reset. You can reset. Might be in the trying spot. See what's going on. So we're gonna try to start. Let's see if it's a real rollout going on.
I don't want it to get too hot because for the rollout trip,
Yeah.
let's check this.
Yeah, good rest on there.
Crack right there.
Right in front of you?
You see it right there?
Yep.
I bet you this pushes right through too.
Oh no, don't do that. You can prove them bad with just one. Yep. Y'all see that?
You like live streaming or some shit?
Nah, I'm just clicking in and clicking out whenever I start, and I just put them
How do
together.
those work? I've never seen.
So as y'all seen, some good cracks in that heat exchanger, and that's what caused that rollout switch to open. It's the hot combustion gas is being able to escape, blow back on the burners and heat up their rollout switch, open it up. But ain't nothing we can do about that today. But keep the gas off, lock out, tag out, so they don't come up here and turn it on, and get them a quote. But at least they got a solution, right? They know their answer. It could be simple as this: days in the field, so fast. You make it what it is. Now we can easily look at the inducer motor to see if it needs to be replaced, since we got to go to the heat exchanger, the burners, all the safeties. May even get a new rollout switch. think it said it was 2016, so it ain't about 10 years old, which ain't bad. But simple as that.
Rise and shine, time to get this money, that's my type of time. I'm a rider, but if money calling, then it's time to drive. Always keep the sprayer just in case I gotta fight a fire. I ain't never ran in my life, bitch, I'm Michael Myers. Won't stop offering the truth till they run out of lies. Ain't a rap nigga on this planet that I idolize. Old rap niggas in they feelings, I won't slap them five. Buddy, I'm a giant, we ain't never gonna see eye to eye. All that beef shit get put to sleep, little nigga rock-a-bye. But you get hit on accident if I pocket down. Raised by the Memphis City streets, I'm like a foster child. Better know I'm always locked in like I lost a trial. Still on